Hey, I didn't notice you there. You're probably here for the review on these annoyingly good headphones. I've had these XM4s for nearly a year and a half now, and they sound great. And they really haven't had any issues with them except for one. Alright, there's probably thousands of reviews of XM4s, but I promise I'll be quick. Alright, let's go. The noise cancelling is excellent for the money. I literally can't hear anything in my room right now. In New Zealand, you can get a pair for less than 380 New Zealand dollars. Yeah, I know the average price has fallen slightly from the previous 400s, but I mean, they're pretty much in the mid-range section. And these are some of the best bang for the buck noise cancelling headphones that you can get. I used to sleep on the bus every day before I used to go to work. These XM4s were a blessing, as most of the deeper noise is pretty much gone, like engine noise. I always got off at the last stop, so getting to work was quite a long ride. So there I was, sleeping all the way to the city. Then I feel a jerk. I open my eyes, but I already passed my stop. But that's the problem. My stop is the last one. I start panicking, run downstairs. Legit, the driver was like, "What the hell? Why didn't you get off?" It was from that day forward that I know that these XM4s were something special. Anyways, back to the list. These are actually portable, unlike the younger sibling. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And battery life is pretty good, and in over a year I pretty much use mine at least for about 2 hours minimum every day, lasting around about 2 weeks or so for another full recharge. They scratch a little bit easier, and that's why I got these XM4 stickers to help with that, especially when I used to sleep on the bus. In my opinion, the design is really nice and doesn't feel too heavy and doesn't grip your head too badly. It's really comfortable for hours on end. Sound quality is alright, and I'm not really fully focused on it as I prefer noise cancelling in public. The app is alright. I mean, it's cool to do the
optimizer start.
To optimize or whatever it is, but I barely use it. And this is the most infuriating thing about these headphones. The bane of my existence. Freaking speak to chat. When it's enabled, I find it so annoying. If I'm watching a video in bed and it enables itself when it's touching the pillow through the touch control, oh yeah, the touch control is pretty decent, it's so annoying. If I cough or anything, it plays all of the outside noise into my headphones. And while I could see why you might like something like that, for me, it's just so annoying. The worst thing is when you're trying to get ready for your set at the gym. You're all pumped, you picked the right song, you got the right grip, and you rep one out, and boom! All of your Beezito tells you that your loser song is all gone. Lastly, what you're actually here for, and honestly, the most annoying flaw about these really good headphones is the quality control. I cannot stress how frustrating this can be. I'd say maybe around about 1 year or so, my headphones decided, yeah, I'm not gonna charge anymore. I tried blowing out and sucking in and out on the little charging port here, but nothing worked. Someone online is like, yeah, take your headphones apart. I don't want to do that. They still have a warranty. Then I came across the holy grail of advice. Some absolute genius said try with a no data transfer USB-C cable. So this means it only will charge. Okay, that didn't work. Next, try with a low wattage charger, like nothing over 15 watts. Still nothing. Lastly, I tried with the low wattage charger, and they told me plug in the USB-C cable whilst pressing the power button, and bam, it worked. This was genius. It turns out I can charge my headphones only through my desktop's USB-C, as that's the low wattage input, using the power button method. At least I can charge it now, and that's what I've been using for the last half a year. I know it's really annoying, and I really need to return them as this is ridiculous. It turns out I'm not just the only one. A bunch of people have quality control issues with the XM4s, the charging one being one of the most annoying ones that there are. See, I used to work at a retail electronics job, and Through my own observation, this is not a knock at Sony or their products, we did have a lot of returns of XM4s. Like Sony, please, these headphones are so good. I love them so much and I was literally glazing them for their noise cancelling ability. But you don't want me to use them? Come on, that ain't cool, man. Hashtag not cool Sony. But please Sony, this is not a knock at you, it's just from my own personal experience, that's just what happened and that's what I've seen. So yeah, the problem I had with these super annoyingly good headphones is that they have a little bit of a quality control issue. I'd suggest if you're gonna buy them from somewhere where you have a little bit of peace of mind, just so you know you can easily return them just in case, as it does seem that there are quality control issues that are not uncommon. P.S. I love you Sony, please don't hate me. Please check out wirestick.org if you're into gaming PCs or need some tech help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!